Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Entrepreneurs Shorts. This is Ramesh Dontha. As you have been noticing, we've been producing a lot of short videos based on the newsletter that we have been publishing at least 2 to 3 times a week. And in this Sunday edition, so we actually are focusing a lot on events and new courses, learning opportunities, and some really featured spotlights that we think are worthwhile for you to look into. So this short video is about local AI agents. So as I've been telling you, last year and this year been agentic AI, but this particular one is very exciting. It's about local AI agents. We know about the cloud AI agents that are there with the big guys, whether it's a OpenAI or a Claude. All of them are providing, or a Gemini provide you opportunity to generate your own agents. But what we are talking about is a local. Your own PC can also have AI agents which are very personal to you. So that's what it is. And this company that is making it happen is OpenClaw. So that is created by Peter Steinberger, is now GitHub's fastest growing open source AI project with 135,000 plus stars. So that's pretty significant number there. So what OpenClaw does is it turns everyday hardware into fully autonomous AI agents, clearing email inboxes or generating content from your own PC, not on the cloud, and coding apps locally through Telegram or Discord from your Mac Mini to your $10 Raspberry Pi if you have it. So if you are a solo builder, this is how you turn a Mac Mini into a 24/7 AI intern, right? So why does it matter? So why are we talking about OpenClaw? Because number one, it's a local agents, right? So they are becoming a real alternative to cloud-only AI. And everyday hardware that you always had now is powerful enough for autonomous workflows. So you could just set up a workflow to clear an inbox and do whatever you wanted the agents to do. And it's private to your own, and uses your own personal data. It's not sharing the data with anything. And it's a portable AI compute. It's emerging and reducing your reliance on centralized usage, metered models, right? So this, I think, is a very exciting opportunity. So check it out, OpenClaw. And so this is Ramesh Dontha signing off.